Nokia recently launched the Nokia XR20, a smartphone that is said to be the first ever life-proof Nokia phone built to withstand life's rough and tumble. Imagine a phone built to survive everything life throws at it, from extreme temperatures, 1.8 meter drops, 1 hour underwater, and more. Well, this is the phone for those that need a little more protection without sacrificing design, usability, and features. So today we are taking a look at the Nokia XR20, what is in the box, what it has to offer, as well as sharing how tough the Nokia XR20 actually is. Let's start by unboxing the Nokia XR20. The device comes in a sleek box with loads of branding and key information. Cutting the plastic and removing the seal, the cardboard lid is removed to reveal the phone and a cardboard insert. Under the phone you will find a SIM ejector tool. Removing and opening the cardboard insert, you will find an 18-watt charging adapter, a pair of wired earphones, and a USB Type-C cable. In the box you will also find the Get Start guides, warranty info, product and safety info, all the important stuff of course. And yeah, she is, the Nokia XR20. The best part about a phone unboxing is always removing the protective plastic, so let's get to that. Once the protective plastic is removed, you are then greeted by some key information which doubles as a screen protector, though you may want to remove this, which took me a few attempts. On the bottom of the phone you will find a headphone jack, USB Type-C port, dual microphones and a speaker. On the left side of the phone is the Google Assistant button, which I haven't seen in a phone in a while. On the top of the phone is a programmable button, which is equally as cool, and the SIM card tray, which houses a dual SIM or a micro SD cards. On the right of the phone you will find a volume rocker and a power button with a fingerprint sensor, as well as Nokia branding. The body of the Nokia XR20 is made from a range of materials designed to withstand life's rough and tumble. The back of the phone is made of a polymer composite and has a rougher finish that provides lots of grip. The frame is also made of a polymer composite with aluminium side panel inserts. The core of the phone is made from aluminium to add stability. Lastly, the display is made of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and has a lip to protect it from damages. The Nokia XR20 has done military standard 810H testing, which is the test standard most commonly used to determine if a product can withstand the effects of difficult environmental conditions. The phone also has an IP68 rating, which ensures that the phone can survive up to 1.8 meters drop protection as well as 1.5 meter water protection for 1 hour. Clearly, this is one device which you don't have to run around trying to buy a cover for it. Turning on the phone for the first time, you are greeted by Android and Nokia branding, and then the setup process begins, which is super easy and much like any other Android device. The operating system is smooth and the phone overall runs just as you would expect, nice and nippy. The display is also rich and vibrant and can go pretty bright if needed. Let's take a closer look under the body of the Nokia XR20. There is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G mobile platform processor, a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display which also houses a pinhole camera and a speaker. You can either choose from 4 gigs or 6 gigs of RAM. And the phone comes with either 64 GB or 128 GB of storage with a micro SD card support of up to 512 GB. The operating system is Android 11 and out of the box you get 3 years of OS upgrades. To keep you safe, you get 4 years of monthly security updates. The phone is powered by a 4630 mAh battery, which gives about 2 days of battery life, and is charged by either the 18-watt wired fast charger or the 15-watt wireless charger. Only the wired charger comes in the box. The max network speed is 5 GB. Looking at the camera, you get an 8 megapixel front camera and a rear camera made up of a 48 megapixel main and 13 megapixel ultra wides with 123 field of view and a rear flash. You get Zeiss optics, Zeiss portrait, Zeiss cinematic effects, speed warp mode, action cam mode, night mode, cinema mode, HDR, beautification, panorama and watermark, so there are loads of features. The Nokia XR20 retails from 10,999 Rand and comes in one color, Ultra Blue, which is the model that I am looking at today. And that's it for the unboxing of the Nokia XR20. To see how tough the Nokia XR20 is, I met up with pro skater and Guinness World Record holder Jean-Marc Johannes at the Garden Skate Park in Cape Town to see what happens if you take the Nokia XR20 skating and perform a few tricks with the device. Did we break the Nokia XR20 though? Click the link in the description or the link in the video to see for yourself. And don't forget to comment, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.